right now
We're in nature.
and there's lots of leaves, and there's lots of trees that can help us breathe oxygen. And I don't think we'll get the corona up here. Look, 16. And as you can see, or as you can hear, the birds are
Chirping.
chirping.
Spell chirping.
CHIRPING.
It's so beautiful.
And there's lots of bugs.
The sun just came up. It's a little bit after 9. Yep, the fog is gone. We see lots of magnolias, lots of ferns, lots of bamboo.
And lots of bugs.
We see blackberries growing,
We see thousands of trees.
wild grasses, swamp cabbage, palms, water oaks. There's a huge array. Some trees we don't know. New flowers we've never seen. We were hoping to see some of the labels that's labeling some of the trees. We haven't got to that portion of the trail yet. But this is a nice
Wait. Or
trail. So now we come to a decision. Either we can go left or we can go right.
Let's just take a dead one. Oh, no, wait. Let's look just at least for a part. Let's go left.
This is not left.
Oh,
So which way are we going?
right. Right. Right is the right way.
Right comes all the way out to the road. So right is the way to lunch. Ooh, early lunch, eh? Yeah, I know. 10:20. It's too early for lunch.
Yeah, too early. Too early. We need to build off some steam.
Yeah, we gotta burn off some of these calories, Sharika. You heard the children. Work those thighs. Get those legs up. Get those knees to move them. Show them how to run. Show them some real exercise. They want to burn some calories. Let's burn.